Shadia. I am greeting you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. After greeting and receiving, today I would like to talk about teacher for this honorables. Teacher is someone who always stands by students. Teacher is the one who fights ignorance and improves knowledge. Teacher is always like this to produce good quality students. According to Ibn Khaldun, teacher is the doctor of the mind. Teacher is the one whose main task is to remove ignorance from the mind of the learners. Teacher is a candle that burns itself as in order to keep light others. There are wisdom which says, كاد المعلم أن يكون رسولا. So we say, teacher is a great asset to his nation and society at large. I wanted to thank this ceremony my dear teacher, Zakaria Ibrahim Hassan, known as Mr. Marka. Finally, I do not want to prolong my speech, so goodbye and afraid of Allah wherever you are.